Okay, so today is 11th of August. So we took three trades on Nasdaq. So let me explain all these trades and why I'm not trading gold right now is because of this shitty price action. Like I, I, my bias on gold was bullish today. So I was eager to enter a bullish trade. Like let me explain you. Let me explain why. So as you all can see, this uh, gold has been on a bull run for quite some time. So uh, oh shit, I removed the line. So this was a equal low. So I was since price swept this low at around 6:30 p.m., which is half an hour before you know New York Open. So New York Open is oh six. Oh, it's 6:30 a.m. Sorry. So sorry. 6:30 a.m. and 7 p.m. is my New York Open. So, you know, um, I was on I was a bit bullish and price was creating a, you know, nice liquidity to the buy side. So since this high broke, I was looking for buy, but as you all can see, no entry was found for me. So yeah, I switched to Nasdaq at market open, which was around 7. So 7 p.m. was my market open over here, and these were my levels. Like this was a resistance, this was a support. It is obviously clear. So my bias was bullish because, as you all can see, why my bias was bullish. But I had a bit of doubt because of uh, like price did not create any pullback all the way till up here. So it a small pullback was created like towards here. Like this was a very small pullback. So it was I've and this was a London low. So I was waiting for at market open for it to be swept, but it did not sweep uh, London lows. So yeah. So let me explain why took this trade. So three trades were taken today. First one was a loss for me. The second one was, you know, like a bit of profit, and yeah, third one was pretty good. So the first one was because at market open, as the volume struck, I saw that price was like uh, price created a great great momentum to the upside. So I entered a trade over here. My stop loss was around just below this support, and yeah, it like freaking stopped me out in like minutes of my entry, like 1 minute or 2 minute of my entry. So I knew that price might sweep below these lows because price was consolidating since Friday, as you all can see. This is like previous Monday. Oh, sorry, not previous Monday. This Monday today. So price was consolidating all morning, right? So I was like, price should sweep below these lows, and I was looking for an entry like over here for buys. I would be looking. So yeah, but it did not do it did not do that. Yeah. So as let me explain why I took the second trade. I was waiting for this. What? Yeah. So I was waiting for this gap to be inversed, right? Which was over here, okay? And I wanted my entry to be around this gap, but As I was seeing the momentum, I did not think that it would just pull back to this gap. So I entered right over here. My stop loss should have been below this, you know, this gap right around over here. But I just wanted to give it a bit of breathing room, so you know, extended my stop loss to over here, and this was my TP1 because this was London highs. Okay, so these were this was London high. Okay, so it you know it was my TP1. So as my TP1 was hit, I you know like how do I say it? My I booked 50% of my position, like I closed 50% of my position and put the rest of the stop loss to cost, like right around here. And as it was reversing, I saw it just touch this uh, London high again. So I just moved my TP below this low because I I thought that it might just stop me out of break even and you know blast right up towards the upside. So I was waiting for a second entry, which was around here. Actually, I broke a small rule too. I entered a trade over here, right? No, not over here. Sorry, over here because I was looking, as I said, I was looking for buys again. So this was my second entry. Okay, this should have been my second entry because uh, we are again. Let me explain why. So we swept this low, right? And uh, I was expecting it to just blast right up. So as it would have swept this low, and it would have inversed of fair value gap, like right over here. Okay, and it did create a break of structure to over here. So my entry would have been over here, but I missed this trade because I was in the gym. Sorry, not in the gym. Uh, sorry, sorry. I'm extremely sorry. I'm extremely tired today because I woke pretty early. Woke up pretty early because I had to, drop my little brother to the school. Um, so yeah, I was not on the gym. I was just working out at my home. Like, I was said that I woke up pretty early, so I was getting really sleepy at around 7 p.m. So yeah, I just did a bit of workout, and yeah. So this was my second entry, but I missed this trade. Like I said, I was working out a bit, and yeah, I FOMO'd and entered over here, right? And my stop loss was around here, but as the price touched my break, like my, I was in a deep drawdown, right, like right around here, and it pulled back to my entry, and I exited the position right over around here, like it might have been right around here, like yeah, I exited this position. I knew that this was a bad trade for me, so I did not wait for it to hit my stop loss. Of uh, if I if I would have let it run, it would have smashed my TP. But yeah, that's not important. I broke my rule. I paid for it, and that's it. So yeah, so basically my official third entry was around here, as this gap was inversed, and I said that this would have been my second entry. So it just pulled back, and at around this, you know uh, this yeah, this in fair value gap, as it broke past this, it created a break of structure too. So it would have been my entry over here, but i I don't know. Oh yeah, 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 as you all can see, I remembered. Like it just closed past above this inverse fair value gap. So I just entered right over here. Yeah. And my TP1 was at TP2 because there was no need for me to aim to London because it was already swept. So if it would touch London highs, it would actually just go right past it. So my initial TP1 was over here. TP2 was at this point, not TP3, because it just shot up. So my TP2, I took second partials, like I booked 50% of all the positions. So I entered at around for zero point 0.1 lots. I booked zero point 0.5 lots at over here, and 0.3 lot 0.05 lots at over here, 0.03 lots over here. And yeah, my trailing stop loss was over here, and my full TP was over here. So as you all can see, my T SL was hit, so I was out of this trade. And that's it for today. Like, uh, we took one L, -1%, but this was like 0.75%, and this was like another, what was this, like 2.5%, I guess. mm, yeah, 2.5% at my take profit one, and 4 two sorry, not 2.5, 1.25% at take profit one, and another, you know 1% at TB2. So it was a pretty great day for me, not too shabby. So yeah, we'll meet you tomorrow.